Ka Sorkar jala kan pulut hadu nriu klur tingka ban kyrshan ya shispa nriu pesan ngut ki samla ki ban let pule BSc ha ka hospitality but hotel management na ka benta kini ki sansnam ki ban wan. Ya kanila pun benada Menteri Katana Tourism uba polingdo ha ka jingpelat ya ka Chief Minister Hospitality Scholarship Program CMHSP ha ka artarik nailur. Uba Paul ulaong baka thong jogan ka scholarship program kalong ban penslori ki lanjing puli ki bakham shalor ha ko hospitality ban betenenti bat ban sandori ki samla na ka benta ban yo ki lat rekam ha ka leng ki ri ka perthai bat ban pen khlan ya ka jingdon jog ka kinhun ki nong tre batbet ka jala ha ko hospitality kandon ka jingka shan by class A ka basis pa percent ya ki samla ki balit puli BSc ha ka hospitality but hotel management ha po IHM Shillong ula ong da ka babenram baka Sorkar kan kyrshan hadu shispa an riu pesan ngut ki samla puli ha kini ki sansnam ki banwan ha ka basan pesan ngut ki samla puli na man ka wei ka blog ki ban yo ya ka scholarship ha ki laitali ki batch ula ong ru baki samla puli ki di ban long ki nong shong shnong bapura ka Meghalaya ki bala pendap ya ka class 12 ka bakan thup ya ka English kun ka wei ni ki subject bat ka baka jingyo ka mai jo ka long yeng ha ka shisnam ka di ban long hapo ka lailak tingka kanam don satya ka jing perking hakabaya day bat karta ka jing jiet ek samla puli kan longkat kum ka jingla ka jongki baka jingang nur ka jongki hakabaya ka jing jiet ka bakhat do on le ka state level selection committee ya ka by class on seo da ka Sorkar Meghalaya hakaba ka jing be tingka ban a jing ka shan ya baro shispa an riu pesan ngut ki samla puli ha ki sansnam kan kot shakan riu point riu klur tingka kata ka bakot kumba lai point riu lak tingka na ka benta iwei pa iwei samla puli ong uba pol kat kum ka jing ong ka jong u ki samla puli kin hab ban pulut hi naladi tang na ka benta ka boy hostel ka bam ka uniform bat ki wei ki jing don kam.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
The launch of the Chief Minister's Meghalaya Hospitality Scholarship Program. The objective of this scholarship program is to encourage entry into higher professional education in hospitality, to guide and nurture youth for global opportunities and strengthen the state's skilled workforce in the hospitality sector. There will be 100% tuition fee support for students pursuing the BSc in hospitality and hotel management at IHM Shillong. Beneficiaries will be drawn from all blocks of Meghalaya. 55 students will avail of this free support from the government of Meghalaya. One from each block, each meaning 55 students from one from each block for 3 consecutive batches, meaning altogether we will cover 165 students. The students must be permanent residents of Meghalaya with having cleared class 12 with English as a subject and whose family income annually is below rupees 3 lakhs with valid certificate. There will be no age restriction. The nomination of the students will be based on merit and interest nominated by the BDO, and the final selection will be done at the level of the state level selection committee. The tuition fee will be fully covered by government of Meghalaya, where the total investment for supporting this initial 165 students over 5 years is rupees 6 crore 65,000 6 crore 6 lakh 56,475 6 crore 6 lakhs 57,475 rupees for 165 students, meaning that we are investing around 3.67 lakhs per student. So the students will have to cover hostel, mess, uniforms and other incidental costs.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.